Hello children, now see the sixth question from exercise 4.3. Two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. See, this problem discuss about the two circles. So considering two circles, their radii 5 cm and 3 centimeter, which means children's one triangle here is 5 centimeter radii. See, center point, boundary point. So now this side 3 centimeter intersect at the 2 points. See, here 1 point, here 1 point, and distance between their centers is 4 centimeters. See, from this to this, here the distance is 4 centimeter. Okay. Find the length of the common chord, which means this red color here. Here is the common chord. This length only needed here. So let us naming the vertex points. Here center A, here center B, here let it be C. A, B, C. And here children, this point is D, intersecting the point is E. Now length of the common chord is needed, which means CD is required here, which means how we can write the CD? CE plus, look at the diagram, CE plus ED. This is only needed here. Shall we do now? See, from this children, this AB joins the centers of the circle. So definitely this divides the CD into a 2 equal parts, bisects the CD into a 2 equal parts, and also the CD is the perpendicular line to this AB. See, here CD is perpendicular to AB and this AB bisects the CD, which implies CE, which is equal to a ED. These two are equals. This is only needed value here. Shall we do now? Here it's the perpendicular. So we get two right angled triangles. Here we can apply the Pythagoras laws here. So let us considering these two right angled triangles now. In right triangle AEC and this side in right triangle CEB. By Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, see children, here AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to remaining two sides AE square plus EC square. Okay, this side CB is the hypotenuse side. So CB square, which is equal to BE square plus EC square. Look at the diagrams here. AC is 5 centimeter, AE is unknown, and CE is required one. This side CB is hypotenuse side 3 centimeter. BE is its unknown value. So when only one value is known, two values are unknown. So let us considering any one of the sides as X value. See here in this children, let B is equal to X. See this part alone as X. The total part is 4 centimeter. Therefore the remaining part is 4 minus X. B is equal to X means, which implies either here is X centimeter, which implies A is equal to 4 minus X centimeter. Okay, now at least two sides are known value. Let us substituting in the Pythagoras law. Here AC is 5 square, which is equal to AE is 4 minus X the whole square plus EC square. 5 5s are 25, which is equal to here A minus B the whole square form. Expanding now. A square minus 2AB plus B square, and then we have EC the whole square. Now this is equal to 25, which is equal to 4 4s are 16 minus 2 4s are 8x plus x square plus EC square. Now see here, 25 minus 16, which is equal to minus 8x plus x square plus EC square. Here the difference is 9. Now shifting these terms to the side, minus 8x has become plus 8x, and here plus x square as minus x square, which is equal to EC square. Okay, that is EC square, which is equal to minus x square plus 8x plus 9. Here this is the first equation. Let's come to the side here. CB square is equal to CB value 3. So this 3 square, which is equal to B, children, that is x. So x square plus EC square. Now here 3 3s are 9, which is equal to x square plus EC square. Now shifting this x square, 9 minus x square, which is equal to EC square. See, that is EC square is equal to 9 minus x square. Okay, here let it be the second equation. Compare, children. EC square, EC square. See, left hand sides are equal, so we can equate their right hand sides. Now from 1 and 2, which implies minus x square plus 8x plus 9, which is equal to 9 minus x square. See, 9 9 get cancelled, minus x square get cancelled, 8x is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to, shifting this 8, children, it's in the product form, so divided by 8. 0 by 8 is just 0. Getting here x as 0. Now children, the required is EC. So how we can get at that EC? Substituting it in the second equation. Second equation is EC square is equal to 9 minus x square, which is equal to 9 minus 0 square. 0 square is which is 0. 9 minus 0, which is 9. EC square is equal to 9. EC only needed. So EC is equal to, which means square root of EC square is equal to square root of 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3. But see, it's a distance, so only we can take the positive value. So EC is equal to, which is 3 centimeter. What is needed, children? Here CD is needed. The common length of the common chord here, CD is needed. CD is known as CE plus ED. They are bisectors. So therefore, CD is equal to CE plus ED. They both are equals. CE is 3 means ED is also 3. 3 plus 3, which is 6 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, the required length of the common chord, children, the length of the common chord, the required one, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Thank you, children.